Welcome to Spring Papers, where I share relaxing time with me videos, journaling and other actionable life hacks to be the best version of yourself, ADHD life hacks, and content creation and other app-related tutorials. Before I begin, I want to clarify that I'm talking about Dr. Russell Barkley in terms of his professional work and how he presents it, and not him as a person. When I first encountered Dr. Russell Barkley, I knew he was very respected and influential for his work on ADHD. But I did not find him particularly useful, nor did I particularly like him. Although I consider my ADHD a mixed bag of impairment with some positive elements, his impairments-only approach, his seemingly refusal to acknowledge that there could be biological and social differences in how ADHD presents in an individual or a group of individuals, and his description of those with ADHD was often vastly different from my own, even if we limit it to times he was talking about adults. Now in 2025, I find him much more useful and like him a lot more. I will note that while he is 100% correct that there is no male and female nor man and woman ADHD, he does now acknowledge and discuss that hormones can affect ADHD symptoms and may require adjusting medication doses. But the point of this video is not about Dr. Russell Barkley. It is about experts. The simple reason I changed my mind about Dr. Russell Barkley is one that is far too often forgotten when we talk about experts. With any expert who has had or is having a long career, in some ways there are multiple experts because a good scientist should change and modify their beliefs and opinions in response as new research and lived experience of people with the condition increase our knowledge about the condition. The Dr. Barkley I like less was the Dr. Barkley of decades ago. The one I like and respect more is the more recent Dr. Russell Barkley. Obviously, he did not have our recent research on ADHD available in the 1980s and 1990s, and it would have been physically impossible for him to take it into consideration. When seeking an expert's opinion on a subject, it is important to not only find the correct expert and confirm that they are in fact an expert, but to check the date on anything they said or wrote and prioritize more recent statements, speeches, and writings over older ones. This is especially true in disciplines in which we are constantly discovering new things as new research, and in some cases, stories of the lived experience of people. Yes, I know the limitations of anecdotal evidence, but lived experience are primary sources that we should not completely disregard. One important use of lived experience is input into whether researchers are asking the right questions and are there any additional questions they should be asked. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. It encourages the YouTube algorithm to show you similar videos and helps the channel. Always remember that you as a person matter.